Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, I have created the separate playlist for SQL exercise. So, this playlist will consist of some of the videos I will upload where I'm going to discuss with you all some of the problem statements and we'll solve here. Okay. So, this is my YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. As you can see here, we have many playlists here. So SQL tutorial from basic to advanced, which is already going on. So here I will create one separate playlist for SQL exercise. Okay. There are another playlist, so you guys can have a look on that. And of course, comment in the section. Comment section is open, so feedbacks are always welcome. Okay. So let's start with the SQL exercise. Okay. So today I have taken two problem statements. Okay. So let's solve this. So we will write the SQL query for the above two problems. Okay. So I have created one table, Noble Win. So this is my database, SQL underscore DB, and inside this I have created one table, Noble Win. Okay. In that, as you can see here, it consists of year, subject, winner, country, category. Okay. So these are these number of 24 records we have. Okay. So now let's solve the first question. Okay. So write a SQL query to find Nobel Prize winners. Okay. For the subject that does not begin with the letter P. Okay. And return year, subject, winner, country, and category. Okay. We have to return this and order the result by year, descending, and winner in ascending. Okay. So let's break this into small parts and solve one by one. Okay. So what we have to do now. Okay. So first point, what is mentioned like Nobel Prize winners. Okay, we have to find the Nobel Prize winner for the subject that does not begin with P. Okay, does not begin with the letter P. Okay, so this is one condition. Okay. What we have to return: year, subject, winner, country, and category. So we have to return all. So let's first write this simple syntax first. Select start from Nobel win. Okay, done. So we are returning basically all the columns. Okay, so directly select start from Nobel win. Simple. Now, first, we don't want to include that records where the winners, that is first character, should not start with P. So simple where clause condition where winner, okay, not like, okay, not like, so not to begin with letter P. So P and then person sign. So this is wildcard pattern. So in the description, there is a SQL tutorial playlist. The link is provided in the description. So if you are not friendly with that, so you can watch that video. Okay. So so this is done now. Now what's the next condition? We have returned the columns. So we have to order the result by year, descending, and winner in ascending. Okay. So we have to order year in descending and winner in ascending. So simple order by we'll use order by year descending. So DESC, okay, comma winner. So we are done. So what we did, select start from Nobel where not we use the like operator along with the not because we don't want to include that matching patterns. Okay, and this is the wildcard operator. It means starting with the letter P. So it will not include that winners, and it will order the year by descending, comma, winner. So by default, we know by default order is nothing but the ascending order. So simply first I have written order by year descending, comma, winner. So automatically it will fetch the record. So let's execute. So as you can see here, see we got the noble winners, okay, subject wise, but we have excluded the winner starting with the P character, okay, and the order is done in the descending order, that is from highest to lowest, as you can see here, 1994, 1987, and then, okay. So this is the syntax, okay. Let's discuss another problem. So moving on to the second question. So let's again, so this is our noble win table, okay. Now what we have to do, write a SQL query to find the details of 1970 Nobel Prize winners. Order the results by subject, ascending except for chemistry and economics, which will come at the end of the result set, okay. And return year subject winner, okay. Again, break it into small parts, okay. So first we need to find the details of 1970 Nobel Prize winners, okay. Simple first. And then we have to order result by subject, okay. But what we have to do, in ascending order, okay, in ascending order, but except for chemistry and physics, okay. Okay, so which will come at the end, okay. And we have to return, that is in the noble well table we have this column, so we have to return all, okay. Simple. So first select start from noble will, okay, as we have to return all the columns, okay. Now find the details of 1970. So simple, where clause, where condition, where year equal to 1970, okay. This is done. Order the results by subject, okay. Now order by, okay. So now here there is two cases, right? We have to order the results by subject only. I mean, we have to, the order is based on subject in ascending order, but still in that also we have two cases, okay. One, we have to uh, chemistry and economic subject will come at the end, okay. Rest, apart from these two subject, rest everything will be in descending order. So there are two cases, okay. Here we have two cases. So simple, we'll do what we'll do, order by, then followed by case, okay. Case when, simple, case when subject, okay. So subject is again a keyword, so mention that in the square bracket, simple, subject in, as we have more than one to filter out, so where chemistry and economics, so okay, then one, okay, else zero. So what I am doing here, what I did, I have applied case, okay, case when subject in, if there is a chemistry and I'm sorry, chemistry and economics, okay, I'm sorry. Ah, okay, where subject is chemistry and economics, then okay, then one, okay, assign as temporary values as one, okay. Rest, apart from chemistry and economics, rest each subject will be assigned as zero, okay. And I am going to end as ascending order, okay. And then, so now done. So as we have two, the order is ascending order. Okay, for subject. So simply subject alias. Simple. So now let me execute. So done. Okay. So simple. So we have solved the given problem into we have break it into smaller pieces and we have solved. First, I am retaining the columns, okay, based on year 1970, and I am applying the order by based on the case. Like if for chemistry and economics, I have assigned the value as 1. Okay. Apart from that, rest all subjects value will be 0. Okay. So now ascending order means what? From lowest to highest. So first the zero values subjects having zero values will be arranged, and then at the last chemistry and economics will be there. So I don't have the chemistry subject record. So here you can see here I get the economist at the last. So rest everything linguist. Um sorry. I'm sorry. That was the category column. I'm talking about the subject column. So as you can see here, chemistry and economics. These two records are in the last. Apart from these two, these all records are above that. So ascending order from 0 to 1. So using the case, we have solved this question. So I hope you guys are getting. So so in the next video, we will discuss some of the problem statements. I'm gonna discuss with you all some of the problem statements like this. So I hope you guys are getting. So let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. So see you all guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.